Okay, so now we're going to look at a specific kind of a polyhedron, and these are called Platonic solids. So, when we look at the Platonic solids, to be a Platonic solid, they have to match certain kinds of requirements, okay? So what makes a Platonic solid a Platonic solid? There are 5 Platonic solids. And here are the requirements. They are 3D shapes. And they're even polyhedron, or polyhedra, the plural. Okay? Each face is the same regular polygon. Okay? The same number of polygons meet at each vertex. And they are named according to the number of polygons in the shape. Okay, so let's look at a couple of these that we have. I actually have one of them here. This one, the shape is an equilateral triangle, and there are 4 equilateral triangles in this. That means all the shapes are exactly the same regular polygon, a triangle. 3 of those meet at every vertex. So this matches that. Therefore, the name of this one, because there are 4 surfaces or 4 faces, 4 polygons in this Platonic solid, it is named a tetrahedron, because tetra stands for 4. Okay? It's a tetrahedron. We have another one that I have here, and it is the one that another name for it is a cube, is because all of the squares are exactly the same size, and therefore it makes a 6-sided figure. And notice that the basic shape of this one is a square, which is a regular polygon. And so it has a square, making it a regular polygon, and it has 6 of those regular polygons. Therefore, the name of this one is called the hexahedron. Hex meaning 6. So this is the hexahedron. And as you look at this hexahedron, you notice that the number of squares that come together at each vertex is 3 of them. Just like in the triangle, in the triangular shape tetrahedron, 3 came together. Now that's not going to be true for all of them. So anyway, these are what these are. So as you do these Platonic solids, I want you to, as I will be giving you a worksheet that you can use for that. And I want you to know what is the base shape of each one of these. Of each Platonic solid? What is the base shape? How many faces? And number of vertices? Also, number of edges. And how many number of the base shape which meet at each vertices, at each vertex. Okay, vertices is plural, vertex is singular. Okay, those are the things I want you to note as you work with the Platonic solids. We could actually calculate the surface area of these Platonic solids, although the only two you will probably do that with will be your triangular one and your tetrahedron and your hexahedron. And that's because they are also polyhedron. They're also your other ones. They're the polyhedra, which are done by the faces, and they're a fairly simple face to work with. We won't do it with all the others. So those are things that you need to know. Okay, so this is something that is a lot to do with these. There's worksheets for every one of these, and in these worksheets, they're made for you to explore the shapes, explore the 3D solids, explore the faces, the edges, the vertices, and all the aspects of all these 3D shapes. So in that worksheet, you will actually have to take it home. As you put it all together, you will do that. Now, the worksheets have to be turned in to me because they will be included in that homework 7 grade. I will add it in after you finish your homework 7. So do it all the way when you do it, because once I add that grade in, you won't be able to go in and change the grade at all. So make sure you do number 7 all the way as rapidly as you can. But I will grade the worksheets, I will note the grades down and give them back to you so that you can have those to study with later on. Okay? So have fun with these nets. This is just a fun assignment, I think. It gives you a change of pace from all paper and pencil work. It gives you some hands-on learning, and it's just a lot of fun to work with this. So have fun with it.